Okay, so let's continue with our next video. So in the last video, we see the GitHub actions, and we have covered some basic workflow, like what is name, what is run name, what is on, what is jobs, how we can mention the steps, and how we can use some actions which are available. And in this video, we are going to see the next step, that is the finding the actions. So in the last video, I have told you something GitHub actions, something. So if I go here, actions, something. Yeah. So in the last video, I shared one link, I think, and in that one, I told you that okay, because we are using some actions. All right. So checkout is one actions. Basically means like you want to perform some step. So there are some inbuilt actions, so you don't need to write the code. So you can just use the third party action. So this is one of the actions. Setting up the Python is one of the action. But how you can see what all the actions are available? All right. So you can see all the action on the marketplace, on the GitHub marketplace. So how to search in the marketplace? So open the github.com. So github.com is open. So if you go on the left hand side and the three bar, you could see there is a marketplace option. So click on it, and under the marketplace you could see we have the apps and we have the actions. So click on the actions. Now here we can see all the actions. So approximately 21,000 actions available in the GitHub marketplace. So as an example, checkout. So we see the checkout. So if you can see the tick mark. So it is verified by the GitHub. So you can click on it. So this is the action which we used, that is uses and action checkout before. If you see, if you copy here and search here, we use the same thing. And there are so many options if you want to use, if you don't want to use, but that is the like basic thing which we have used. So what I want to show is, so if you want to some action, so let's suppose if you want to do something upload. So there are so many upload, like which actions you want to upload: to release action, data dog upload, cloud storage uploader, GitHub upload page artifact. So upload a build artifact. So this mainly we use upload GitHub upload a git artifact. So you can like if you want to find, you don't need to Google it. You can just come onto the GitHub marketplace, come onto the actions, and you can search here. Right. The other way to search and directly use into your workflow file. So you can open your workflow file in the GitHub, and you could see this pencil icon. So edit the file. As soon as you edit the file, you see on the right hand side marketplace has been open. Right. If I edit any other file, so this is GitHub demo. Did marketplace open? No, because this is the README file. So GitHub automatically recognize, okay, this is the workflow file, and the person is trying to edit the workflow file. So it means person want to use some actions. So as soon as I edit the workflow file, the marketplace is available for me. As an example, so if I search here checkout, you could see checkout is available, and if I click on it, I can just copy paste and use in my directly GitHub workflow. So there is a two option. Either you can manually search, or you can create some basic GitHub workflow, and then within the UI you can click on the edit button, and then you can search. All right. So this is a very small video which I want to show you, and which is very useful, because in the coming video we are going to use so many inbuilt third-party action from the marketplace. So we should know how to search the actual actions where we can find. All right. So if you see this document finding and customizing action. So if you overview, so they said, okay, you can click on this edit icon, then marketplace will be open. All right. Along with that, you can just just copy, and you can directly use. And you can create your own action as well, because here, we are using some action created available on the marketplace, but these actions will be created by someone, and they have published and uploaded onto the marketplace. But if you want to create your own action. So you can also publish. And if you don't want to publish, you can keep in your repo. And let's suppose you create one action, you don't want to publish. If you want to publish, you can publish it, and then you can directly use uh, your actions like this way only, action slash whatever your action name, because it is public. So if it is public, you don't need to mention your repo name, or you don't need to mention the path. But if it is like not a public, let's suppose you created your own action in your repository. So let's suppose in the repository, so when you created your action in the repository, you have to put in the actions tab. In the coming video, we are going to see how we can create the custom actions. I'm just like telling, so you can create your custom action as well. So once you create your custom actions, so you can like under the GitHub folder only, we have the workflow, where we have the workflow, but there is a one actions folder, so you can create your own action. Now I want to use this action in my workflow. So how I can use? So what I did is uses, like if I use to like the action which is available publicly, like that is on the marketplace, so then I can use action that's checkout. But if any action which is not publicly available, which is available in my repo, then what I have to do, I have to give the whole path of the repo. That is like it is in the .github folder, then it is in the actions tab, then it is like what is the name of the action which we want to use. All right. So this is like how we can use like some actions from the repository. And if you see here, when we are using action, we are adding the version name. Okay, because checkout, when the checkout action has been created, it's created with the version 1, then some improvement has been done, then version 2, then some more improvements have been done, version 3, then some more improvements have been done, then version 4 come. So it is always recommended to use the version. And it is not only the version thing. So it depends how the creator has been creating. So some action you will see the branch name at the rate main or something. So some action you will see the version number. Some action you will see some tags like this thing. So like we don't need to worry, because we are going to search here, and whatever is available, we are just going to copy and we are going to paste in our workflow file. So that's it. That's the end of the video. So in this video, we are going to see like how we can search the uh, some actions if you want to use. So thank you.